Hi everybody, it's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I have a beauty bag. What kind of beauty bag? Stick around and I'll let you know.
Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater.
Alright, normally in the Tribe beauty boxes you get maybe some skincare, a couple of different makeup products, and then you get like a beauty tool. I think we've gotten a brush cleaner before. We've gotten brushes, of course, like these ones that we got last month. They are gorgeous little brushes. I think they're so pretty with the little stained glass effect. But I'm gonna be honest, this brush, the face brush, is pretty good. I mean, it's soft, it's not real dense, it's okay. Then we got some eye brushes. This is what they look like. They're awful. This one's not too bad, but I think I'm missing one. But there was another one like this one, not an angled one, but just a regular small brush. It is scratchy when you put it across your eye. It was not good. I did not like it. So hopefully their box this month is better. I will say that normally I love what comes in the Tribe Beauty box. Tribe Beauty, if you don't know, is $34.99. It is bi-monthly, so it comes every other month. And normally it was coming in a box, but now it's gonna come in a bag. Why is it coming in a bag now? It's coming in a bag now because they used to offer 5 products for $34.99, and now they're gonna start offering 6 to 8 products. If you hear noise, it is the kitty. So that's pretty cool that we're going from 5 items to 6 to 8 for the same price. They also are now offering another bag, which is just lashes. I don't exactly know how much that one is. I don't wear a whole lot of lashes unless it's a special occasion. So you can look that up, or I'll put it across the screen for you. Also, if you want to try Beauty for yourself, then just click the link below. You'll get $7 and I'll get $7. All right, who is curious to see what is in this little bag? And I'm curious, oh, and you do get to customize one product, which is nice. You may start to hear some noise because if the kitty knocks over my water bottle, it's gonna be loud. I hope everybody is having a good day. I actually just got off work. I got off early today, so that was nice. All right, so it does look like it's nicely packaged in some bubble wrap to keep it all safe. And I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. All right, the first thing I'm pulling out is Cerulean by Babe Lash. It's a bright box, so I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. Don't look at my nasty nails. I would have painted them on Monday, but I had to go to work. I don't usually work on Monday. Let's put myself back together here. Let's see. Lash Serum by Cerulean is worth $29.99. This box is supposed to be worth $180. A lash serum used to help promote fuller, darker brows and lashes. Used 1 to 2 times per day across the lash line. Only 1 dip is needed for both eyes. Okay. I've never used a lash or brow serum before. So let's see what it looks like. It's got some paper on there, so let's get that off because I want to try it. See if I can stuff the paper back in there. All right, Cerulean by Babe Lash. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like a baby pink and mint green or gray color. And then, oh, I was expecting, I guess, more like a mascara wand, but it's a little baby brush. And then I guess I don't have anything on my brows. So then you would just swipe it across your brows, I guess. It says 1 swipe. All right. Doesn't have any kind of smell. So there's that. Then the next thing I see is by The Balm. I love The Balm products. I think they are the bomb. And Pretty Smart lip gloss in the color Pop. And that's what the box looks like. They have such cute packaging. I love the Balm products. Ooh, okay. It's like an orangey color. Look at that. All right, let's see what this says. The theme for this month is soft glam. Let's see. Read My Lips by The Balm is worth $15. Read My Lips lip gloss features a wide range of shades that makes a statement without saying a word. Smart Mouth takes on a new meaning with this unique formula fortified with ginseng and a powerful antioxidant known for its mentally stimulating properties. Okay. I'm not gonna, do I want to open it? I love lippies. Why not? I'll just put it over what I already have. It smells like, it smells kind of orangey. What do you guys think? All right. It doesn't feel real wet, but that is the color. All right, and I put it over like a pink. That's what I had on before. That does not go in there. I was trying to put it in the lash serum box. All right, moving on. I'm pulling out, two Luxie brushes. This one is a mini flat angled. Let's see, where are you at? Eye brush number 111 and 237 by Luxie Beauty is worth $24. If you guys are not on the Luxie brush bandwagon, I highly recommend it because I love Luxie brushes. They're so soft on the eyes and I love them. Not like the ones we got last time. So I'm really happy to get the Luxie brushes. And then this one looks like that. And it's a blending brush. All right, that lip gloss, it feels good and it smells good. Fruity. All right, there's those. We'll stick them right there. Then the next product is in some bubble wrap. It is Earth Harbor Luna Lay Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. I don't know if you can read it. It's like this milky yellow color. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like pineapple juice. Let's put it on my hand here and see what it feels like. It feels nice and silky at the first putting of it on. We'll see how it dries down while we read about it. And let's see. Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum by Earth Harbor is worth $54. I love getting serums in my boxes because they are so pricey. A rich featherlight serum featuring seaweed collagen, tropical superfruit, acids, and botanical multivitamins that retexturize skin to reveal, and I think it should say a more radiant looking complexion, all while you enjoy your precious beauty sleep. It feels nice. It's still a little bit tacky, so we'll come back and we'll see in just a second. And then I have something else in here. Ooh, we've never gotten a bag before. Wonder if that's gonna be something. I don't know. It says a Tribe Beauty on it. Holographic makeup bag by Tribe Beauty is worth $19.99. That's cool. I like the bag. And then we have a Wonder Beauty Wondrous Fling palette. That's really pretty packaging. Now, I have gotten, let's see if I can get this open without tearing anything up. I've gotten Wonder Beauty palettes before. They were not my favorite. So I don't know about this one, but let's see what it looks like. I'll probably put it in a giveaway. I really don't need any more palettes at this second. Notice I said second. Ooh, it is pretty packaging though. It's gorgeous. Looks like spring. Ooh, those are really pretty colors. I've been gravitating this winter towards the golden colors. Let's see what this says. Wondrous Fling palette by Wonder Beauty is worth $25. This array of flirty, beautiful eyeshadow colors delivers intense payoff that lasts all day. An intensely pigmented eyeshadow palette with a range of 6 buttery eyeshadows for a fun, flirty spring fling. I love that it has spring packaging. All right, but I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm probably gonna give it to one of you guys. Hopefully I will get to 1,000 subscribers soon. I'm trying to get to 800 by the end of February. You know, that was my January goal and I didn't quite make it. All right, Iconic Beauty Los Angeles Blur Stick. Have you guys used a blur stick before? I never have. This was something that we got to customize, which I like that they started doing that. And let's see. Blur stick, you could get a blur stick or a glow stick by Iconic Beauty LA. It's worth $15. The blur stick filled with vitamin E. Use this stick to minimize the appearance of pores to look matte and smooth all day. So I'm looking forward to trying this. It's got that paper on it. And that's what it looks like. Let's kind of rub it on my arm and see what it feels like. It smells good. Oh my gosh, it smells like the beach, like the tanning bed. It smells really nice. And it feels nice. It's nice and soft. All right. I love primer. I'm just gonna say that. I love primer. All right, so we got the blur stick. We got 2 Luxie brushes. We got the palette, which you guys will see again when I hit 1,000. The serum, which let's see. It does feel really nice. It's not tacky. It's nice and soft. The lash serum. And the lip gloss. I like that lip gloss. It's pretty. What did you guys think of this bag for $39.99? It's a pretty good bag, I think. I was gonna cancel it just because I wanted to move on to something else, but now I don't know. I think I've said that for like 6 months now. I was gonna cancel this bag, but then they step it up more and more every time. And now we're gonna get 6 to 8 products for 40 bucks. What should I do? Should I move on? Do you guys want to see something else? Let me know. I love it. All right, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And I currently have a gift certificate going on my channel. A chance to win, a giveaway. That is the word I was looking for, a giveaway. It's been a long day. a giveaway for a gift certificate to Thread Up. Me and 4 of my friends are each giving one away. You can win one, you can win all 5. But I will definitely put the link up here, I don't know, whichever way it is. And you guys can go and check that out. All right, I love every one of y'all. See you later. Bye.